motors and the mechanisms in here at the moment are very much sort of work in progress. This motor is effectively going to drive the central setup here, and then a second motor will control the flywheel. My feeling is that if we bolt a fairly hefty, so 2x2 green painted steel bar coming off the back here to a T-piece, somebody can then control the gross body movements in terms of tipping him backwards and forwards and moving him around. And then you've got people at either side who can control left and right arm, and then the head itself would be hung from overhead to give those movements. In order to keep the hand very precise, because for the sword fight it's that you're going to need to control, the person should be as close to that hand as possible.